Can I start now?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you. Hello, my name is Kalviana from Kadinga Vocational College, Sabah, Malaysia. I will presenting about the employability of graduates specialized in cosmetology program, particularly the alumni of my college. Since this research is still at the proposal stage, I am planning to collect data from the alumni through online platform. However, the data will not be enough to represent all the alumni of the cosmetology program in the country, since I will probably narrow it down to several colleges. Formal vocational education started as early as 1926 in the developed nation before it expanded to other countries. Prior to the transformation of vocational schools to vocational colleges in 2012, the vocational education among secondary school students was offered in technical and vocational schools with over 100 programs in different fields. This research project is important to our cosmetology program. I will examine the marketability of cosmetology program alumni by finding out how many are working in the related fields. I will then use the findings to determine the level of relevancy of the current cosmetology program. Besides, the results from the research also can be used to improve the syllabus of the program. Furthermore, the findings might offer great feedback that is often required by the Malaysian Qualification Agency or MQA, an agency that provides accreditation to academic programs offered by higher, post-secondary or tertiary education. Moreover, this research can enlighten us on ways to further draw more potential students to enroll in the program. This is the trajectory that our vocational education aims to fulfill. 70% of vocational college graduates will enter the job market. Meanwhile, 20% of them will further their studies at tertiary level and 10% will become entrepreneurs. There have been issues with our vocational education. Based on the data that the ministry currently has, a quarter of vocational college alumni work in areas that were not related to their vocational expertise and qualification. This might indicate that their qualification in specific vocational fields might not be that relevant anymore. Besides, this could imply the failure in fulfilling the trajectory that has been previously set. My objectives are to determine the level of relevancy of the cosmetology program at vocational colleges and to gather data from the alumni of cosmetology program of vocational colleges. I also want to find out the challenge in finding a job in cosmetology related fields. The instrument that I will be using is questionnaire in the form of online survey. The question will be divided into section A, B, and C. The data will be analyzed, coded, and presented in a pie chart. I will also include questions that inquire the alumni's opinions about cosmetology program at vocational colleges, including its relevancy and the challenges in finding jobs related to the field. I am hoping to find out the level of relevancy of the current syllabus of the cosmetology program and the challenge in keeping the syllabus relevant. My goal is to gather data that can help to improve the quality of the curriculum at vocational colleges, especially the cosmetology program. Thank you for listening. That's all from me.
Thank you, Kaliana Dini.